Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Market Mondays. Hopefully, you had a great weekend. So, today we're going to go into everything that happened last week, especially last Friday, and what's going to be the big news ahead that's going to have really crucial on rates for the week. Before we get right into it, we'll do a quick dad joke for you guys. So, what do you call a broke Santa Claus? A broke Santa Claus. Saint Nicholas. Nicholas. All right, so getting right into it. Hopefully you guys are liking the new logo. That's our new logo now. It's just a shield with chevrons on it. So I like it a lot. I think it looks really cool. It's going to be on a new business card. It's going to be a new signage. So we're really excited about how BLG looks moving forward. Alrighty, getting right into it. Last week was a really solid and pretty much a positive week with rates overall. Now, at the very last day of the week was a really big day for mortgage rates. The main thing is that week, that Friday, what was coming out is the unemployment rate. That was going to have a really big impact on rates. It showed that it was going to at least be the same, if not higher than what it was last month. Then we would see a lot more improvement with rates. Now, not to say that whole week wasn't a win. The whole week was great. We had solid improvement every single day up until Friday. So what happened on Friday is that the unemployment rate showed that it actually came down a little bit, and there were more job creations and things like that. So it showed that it pointed toward a stronger economy than what the reports did. Now, what sucks about these reports is that usually after a month they come out, there's another revision that comes on top of it in the next month. So there's a very strong chance in January we may see a revision, and that will also have an impact on what's going on with the rates as well. This week, so right now the rates are in the mid to low to mid sevens, which is still an improvement over from last week, where we were seeing high sevens and low eights. This week is going to be another big week in what impacts rates. The main thing is that the first two inflation reports of the month are coming out this week. So that's I believe that is tomorrow and Wednesday is when they expect to come out. So we'll see how those play out and how they impact rates. Overall, we're seeing improvement in the right direction. What's nice is that the response, even though the unemployment rate wasn't going up on Friday, the impact on the mortgage rates wasn't really that big. So to give you guys a visual in regards to what rates look like right now is, if we look at what the trend line was since mid-October, we were in above eights for all the home loan programs. I think we were sitting a little bit in the mid sevens, but you can see that we started off in this direction. And over the last month and a half, it's gone down below 7.5. So, and these are, everyone above a 7-point credit score and so on and so forth. For some of you guys who don't know, generally a VA client over a 660 credit score is going to have a better rate, or is going to have the top tier rate compared to someone who's a conventional over like 780. So for a VA client to get a high top tier rate, it doesn't take much. So, but it shows a small bump, but still pretty solid downward progression. So we hope that this week continues on with that progression of rates coming down, and hopefully into 2024 that we're expecting rates to come down multiple times. So hopefully this all works out well. Go ahead and start telling your clients. I mean, rates have again basically changed almost a percent over the last month. So it's a good sign, really important news to bring up. So feel free to share this with all your clients, especially the ones that are, in the middle of shopping, not middle of shopping. Tell them to talk with their loan officer to get an idea of what the new payments look like based on the new rates. I know a lot of my clients already have my pre-approval app that we update on a weekly basis, so they can see how rates are changing on a week-to-week basis. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you have a great week. I'll talk to you guys soon. Let me know if you have any questions. Nuke out.